I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I have a dishwasher in my kitchen. I have a dishwasher in my kitchen. I put on the apron. I put on the apron. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out a jar of water. I take out a jar of water. I pour some water in the glass. I pour some water in the glass. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I put the glass in the sink. I put the glass in the sink. I open a cupboard. I open a cupboard. I take out the blender. I take out the blender. I take out a brown bowl. I take out a brown bowl. This is my mixer. This is my mixer. I put my green cutting board on the table. I put my green cutting board on the table. I take a garlic press. I take a garlic press. I use the grater to prepare some vegetables. I use the grater to prepare some vegetables. Sometimes I use a potato masher. Sometimes I use a potato masher. This is my new toaster. This is my new toaster. I prepare sandwiches for breakfast. I prepare sandwiches for breakfast. I slice the cake. I slice the cake. I slice the cake. I slice the cake. I eat a piece of cake and drink coffee. I eat a piece of cake and drink coffee. I prepare a delicious soup. I prepare a delicious soup. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I finish the soup and wipe my mouth. I finish the soup and wipe my mouth. For clean the plate, I use a sponge. For clean the plate, I use a sponge. I use a broom for clean the floor. I use a broom for clean the floor. I have a rubbish bin in the kitchen. I have a rubbish bin in the kitchen.